Hey guys, it's Gaby from Tech Oasis, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a very simple mouse chase game on Scratch. This is very simple. You don't need to have known much Scratch at all, or any for that matter, to do this game. It's so easy, even noobs like Henry can do it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a new project. Name your project whatever you want. I'm going to name it Mouse Chase. For my cat, I'm going to be using this one, the basic normal Scratch cat. I'm going to be naming it Cat. So the first block that we're going to need is when the green flag or go is clicked. Now we're going to make the cat chase after my mouse here. So for that we're going to need, the next block that we need is in control. It's the forever loop. So anything that's inside here will carry on forever, which is what we want because we want the cat to keep chasing the mouse. So we want the cat to always be facing the mouse. We go into motion and we're going to go point towards mouse pointer. So now you see when we run the script, we move our mouse around, the cat is constantly looking at the mouse. No matter how fast we go, it's always looking at the mouse. But obviously, it just looking at us is not the full game. That's not what we want. We want it to move. So we're going to take this block here in motion as well, move 10 steps. You see now when we press the green flag, the cat is going to follow us. However, at the moment, as you see, when I touch the cat with my mouse, nothing really happens. There's no form of punishment, or there's no way to reset. There's no reason to run away from the cat. So now we're going to go into control. I'm going to find this block, repeat until, and we're going to put it around here, and it means that it's going to repeat this until something happens, which we're going to put in here, touching mouse pointer. So now it's going to keep pointing towards the mouse pointer and moving 10 steps until it touches the mouse. So now if I touch the mouse, it's going to stop, but if I move the mouse again, it's going to follow. And that's a bit boring. So instead, we go into motion again, and here we're going to go to random position. So now, when we press the green flag and we hit the cat, then we'll go to teleport to a random position. So we're getting somewhere now, but it's still rather simple, rather boring, and it's not going to be an amazing fun game when it's finished, but we want some incentive to keep running away from the mouse. So here we go into variables, and we're going to make a variable, and we're going to call it deaths. Well, you can call it whatever you want, but I'm going to call it deaths. The next thing we're going to do is under repeat until, we're going to put change deaths by 1. So now when we press the green flag, when we hit the cat, we get a death. So this is great and all, but as you can see, when I start the program again, my deaths stay the same, and this is very easy to fix. All we need to do is we go here into variables, and we, at the beginning of the green flag clicked, we put set deaths to 0, and now when we press the green flag, we have 0 deaths. The final thing that we need to do to really make our project look finished and done is add a backdrop. So I'm going to add the playground backdrop. You can choose whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Just choose whatever you think is going to look best. So now when I click the green flag, it's chasing me on the playground. That was a very simple game on Scratch. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was very basic and most of you understand, but For those who didn't know how to do it, I hope this was a nice positive experience into Scratch, and I hope that you continue. Thanks everyone for watching. If you liked it, like, and subscribe if you loved it. Thank you so much for watching.